them, Papa and Budong. And ma-exercise may butt. May chinilas yun. Look at yung ma-exercise guys na oh. Look at that. Sandal rin. Well, that's okay. Okay, mapagpangga pa din kami sa 2026. Time check, it's already 5:46 a.m. and we are on our way para mag-jogging, ma-exercise with the family. So, come with us. Koyoga? Koyoga? You're koyog with us? Wow! Parang magbaba! It's raining. Hi.
Tani mo When life leaves you high and dry, I'll be at your door tonight.
We are here. The sun is still up, sayo kay minigikan. And that's the goal. So guys, singot na kayo ko after 3 equipments. And it's currently 6:40 pa. So, more sweats to come. Let's go!
We are now heading home to Jeffrey. Malabay ba?